Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Strength in English. Today we are going to learn present perfect tense part 1. Education means inspiring someone's mind, not just filling their head. Students, let us learn English. Let us learn English in order to keep our dreams alive, to reach our goals, our aspirations, to become an inspirational person to everyone. In order to achieve your dreams, Strength in English will help you. Strength in English will help you to learn English and earn knowledge. Because English is for life. Therefore, it is merely our sincere efforts to create a virtual platform for effective learning among the students across the globe to acquire adequate knowledge in the English language, since the proficiency in English is a must in all walks of students' life. Students, today we are going to learn present perfect. What is present perfect? In order to understand present perfect, I give a simple understanding. The action happened in the past, but the effect is still there. In order to express this particular idea, we use present perfect tense. Now take two words, present and perfect. What is perfect? The action which happened in the past is perfect. What is present? The effect is present. In order to show the effect in the present, which is existing, so therefore we use present perfect tense. The action happened in the past, but the effect is still there. In order to express this particular idea, we use present perfect tense. As I have previously already told you, intermediate helps you to use the grammar in situation. So therefore, according to the situation, how you can use the grammatical knowledge effectively. That is why all the lessons are completely based on situational studies. For example, here, study this example situation. Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. He has lost his key. He has lost his key means he lost it recently and he still does not have it. Now, secondly, we have the structure, the word order. First, we have the pronouns, and then you have two words, auxiliary verbs, have or has, plus past participle. We use have for I, we, they, you, plus past participle. Whereas third person singular, that is he, she, it, for these pronouns we use has plus past participle. I have finished, we have finished, they have done, you have lost, etc. Secondly, when you take these pronouns he, she, it, he has done, she has finished, it has been, etc. Students, here we have the usage. The present perfect simple is have or has plus past participle. The past participle often ends in ed, for example, finished, decided, played, etc. But many important verbs are irregular, for example, lost, done, written, eaten, etc. So here we have first usage. What is the first usage? When we say that something has happened, this is usually new information. Oh, I cut my finger. The road is closed. There has been an accident. From the news, police have arrested two men in connection with the robbery. You see here, in these three examples, we can understand when we say that something has happened, This is usually new information. Secondly, when we use the present perfect, there is a connection with now. The action in the past has a result now. Where is your key? I don't know. I lost it. Which means what? I don't have it now. Second one, he told me his name, but I've forgotten it. What does it mean? I can't remember it now. Is Sally here? No, she has gone out. Which means what? She is out now. I can't find my bag. Have you seen it? Which means what? Do you know where it is now? So therefore, when we use the present perfect, there is a connection with now. The action in the past has a result now. In order to express this particular idea, we can use present perfect. Students, when we use present perfect, at times we use few words, just, already, yet. Here we are going to understand what is the meaning of the word just, already and yet. When to use it, how to use it. This is what we are going to understand here. You can use the present perfect with just, already and yet. Just means a short time ago. Are you hungry? No, I just had lunch. Just means a short time ago. Hello, have you just arrived? You see here, a short time ago. We use already to say that something happened sooner than expected. Students, try to understand once again. We use already to say that something happened sooner than expected. Don't forget to send the letter. I already sent it. You see here? What is the instruction? Don't forget to send the letter. But what is the response? I already sent it. Which means what? Something happened sooner than expected. What is expected? To send the letter early. But here the person has already sent the letter. Next one, what time is Mark leaving? He has already gone. You see, something happened sooner than expected. That is the meaning of the word already. Next one, very important, yet. Yet means until now. Yet shows that the speaker is expecting something to happen. I'm repeating once again. Yet shows that the speaker is expecting something to happen. Use yet only in questions and negative sentences. Has it stopped raining yet? I've written the letter, but I haven't sent it yet. Students, the usage of yet is we need to use only in questions and negative sentences. Kindly do not use in affirmative sentences. Okay, students, come on, let us proceed. Students, note the difference between gone and been. Jim is on holiday. He has gone to Italy. Which means what? He is there now or on his way there. You see next one. Jane is back home now. She has been to Italy. Which means what? She has now come back. That is why when you use the word gone and when you use the word been, there is a complete difference. Students, I believe that you all have learned the lesson. Now it's time for exercise. Are you ready? So here we have 5.1. Read the situations and write sentences. Use the following verbs. Arrive, break, fall, go up, grow, improve, lose. Okay, so what is more important? Read the situations and write sentences. Read the situations and write sentences. So you need to read the situation, accordingly you need to write the answer. Okay, accordingly you should write the sentences, appropriate sentence. For example, Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. What does it mean? He has lost his key. The same way, rest of the sentences you need to do. Students, here we have 5.2. Complete B sentences. Use the verb in brackets plus just, already, at. Any one of these you can use. For example, first one, would you like, for example, the first one, would you like something to eat? No, thanks. I just had lunch. So here, the first place you are given the set of questions, second place you are given the answers with jumbled words. So therefore, accordingly, you need to think and need to give the answer. Students, this is one of the most important exercise. 5.3. Read the situations and write sentences with just, already, or at. I'm repeating once again. Read the situations and write sentences with just, already, or at. Which means you need to read the sentences and then understand what the situation. Accordingly, you need to write the meaningful sentence. For example, after lunch, you go to see a friend at her house. She says, would you like something to eat? You say, no, thank you. I just had lunch. Okay. So this is how you need to understand the rest of the sentences and accordingly you should write. Students, here we have come to 5.4. Put in been or gone. Jim is on holiday. He has gone to Italy. So now you have the rest of the sentences. You should know, by reading the questions, you should know where to use the word been, where to use the word gone. Accordingly, you should complete the rest of the questions. Dear students, it is time for checking your answers. I hope you all have written the answers. Now let us check it. Students, here you have answers 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4. Kindly check it and then you will see that how you have written. That is very important. I believe students, you all have written well. You all have written correctly. But you need to be very careful. In case if you have made any mistake, you need to see to that before writing any answer, kindly think and write, because you are understanding the situations and accordingly you are writing it. Here it is not whether it is grammatically correct or not, as you have done in your primary schools or whatever it is, but here what is very important, you need to understand the situation, accordingly you need to write the answers. Students, it is all about the future. Whatever you are learning every day, it is for your future, so therefore learn it effectively. Students, I believe that you all are learning well, no doubt about it. At the same time, ask yourself, do I speak English when I'm at school, when I'm with friends, when I'm with my relatives, when I'm with my teachers, professors, etc., etc. You ask yourself, okay? And then you try to speak in English. That will bear good fruits in life, because education is our passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. Okay, students? Thank you, dear students. Thank you for learning. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing this particular lesson with other students, those who are interested in learning. So therefore, we promote good teaching as well as good learning and then quality education. Because formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. With hope and trust, thank you so much. God bless everyone.